Did you know, as a Takealot seller, you could be losing money every single month without even realizing it? Stock that's broken or lost could mean there's easily cash for you to claim back. In today's video, I'll show you guys exactly how easy it is to find and claim back those costs with the Recon feature using Tseller that most sellers don't even know about. So stick around so we can turn your lost stock into reimbursements. So the first thing we need to do is we need to go to our Takealot seller portal where we'll be able to pull this Recon report. So in this Recon report, you will get a CSV file with a bunch of numbers and information in it. Now, this is useless to you if you don't know how to format it. So what we're going to do is we're going to download the Recon file, which is essentially stock that Takealot has lost, broken, or that got stolen, and they need to reimburse you. They don't publicly tell you this, but this is something that's possible. So the first step is head over to your seller portal, and then let's go down to reports. From reports, you're going to see right here, there will be a select report button. You're going to click on that, and then you're going to scroll down to stock Recon. So you need to do a recon for every single month, and you can go back up until 6 months. So I recommend doing your recon at the end of every month so that you can see what you need to be reimbursed for and you don't leave money on the table. So for now and the demonstration, I'm going to use the month of January and I'm going to pull that report. So I'm going to just select January, and then right here you guys will see there is a report request button. That is where your date ranges will be. And then you're going to click on request report. It's going to pop up right here. And as you guys can see, it's saying in progress. So just give this around 2 to 5 minutes to generate this report for you. And then I'll show you guys how we're going to take this and then take it to our Tseller app, which is going to generate the invoice for us, extracting all the information from that CSV file, giving you the final invoice to submit to Takealot, and they will be able to reimburse you back into your bank account. So as you guys can see right here, it is not in progress anymore. It is now complete. So it took around 30 seconds for this report. And just keep in mind, not all reports will have information in them, and Tseller will tell you that. So if there's no reconciliation to be done in that specific month, then you will get a message and you will get a notification in the app. So now we've got it, it's complete. Right here, there is a download button. You guys need to download it. I'm going to click on download, and it's going to download the Recon for me. So you guys can see there, stock the Recon. So you need to get this onto your mobile phone. You can either do it via AirDrop or email it to yourself if you are an Android user. The app is available on Android and on iOS. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to head over to the App Store, Play Store, iOS Store, wherever you're using the app on, Android or iOS, and then we're going to download Tseller. So you're just going to search Tseller, install the app. You guys are obviously going to sign up and link it to your Takealot store first. I've already done that, so I'm just going to go straight to the app and then start with the recon process. So once you're logged into the app, you see at the bottom, it says Recon. So I'm going to click on Recon. Once I've clicked on Recon, it takes me to my Recon history, and it will actually tell me how to do the Recon, how many Recons I have done in the past, which months I have done. I can come down here. I can create an invoice from scratch if needed. I can see all my recent invoices. I can go to the settings section where I'll be able to enter in my personal information or my business information, which will be displayed on the actual invoice, and the banking details as well. So Takealot know where to reimburse you for. Also, if you have forgotten how to do the steps of getting the Recon file and you don't want to watch the video every time, you just click on how to, and it shows you step by step, as I'm showing you guys now, how to do the Recon, shows you where to click, what to download, and how to get the file. So we have all the information. If you filled in your business information, your banking details, we can go ahead and import the CSV file to extract the information and create the invoice for us. So I'm going to click on upload CSV. I'm going to select the month. This is January's recon that I'm doing now. I'm going to select the CSV file, select it from my files, and I'm going to click on generate invoice. So this is going to generate the invoice for me. So you say generated on the 15th. It also shows me the company name, email, things like that. It also displays an invoice number, your stock recon, and it shows Takealot's address, which is compulsory to be on there. So please don't remove that. And then if you scroll down, it tells you what you need to be reimbursed for and what lines are being included on the invoice. So I can see 2 of these, and 1 of these will be added to the invoice. Just scroll down. This is the banking details section. And you guys can see I'll be paid out 835 Rand for this Recon invoice. At the bottom, you can change the color of your invoice. You want to make it red, you can preview it here, or blue, you can preview it. So I'm just keep it blue. You can click on generate and share. And once you've done that, you have your invoice. From here out, you can airdrop it to yourself to get onto your laptop and fill out the form where you need to submit these invoice to Takealot, or you can do it on your phone. I'm going to do it on my phone to show you guys the process so the Android users can also follow along quickly. So you're just going to save it. So I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to save it to my files. I'm just going to click on save. And now what you want to do is you want to head over to the following link. So you can find this link on your seller portal, and I'll also link it down below in the description of this video. So save it, bookmark it so you don't lose it, so you can use it every single month to do your recon. So if you clicked on the link below, it'll take you to this Takealot page where you need to submit the invoice and fill in a few informational sections. So you just leave the first one as it is. You're going to fill in your email that's linked to your Takealot seller portal. For the subject, you can use stock reconciliation. Once you've done that, you're just going to scroll down a bit until you see description. And in the description, you're just going to say, please see all the attached invoices and stock recon files for my stock reimbursement. It doesn't need to be long. It can be very simple. So what I've done is I just said, please see below all invoices and recon files for the recon of the month of January. And then I said regards. And then at the bottom, we need to choose a merchant type. You're going to leave that on seller because we have seller accounts. The seller query type, you're going to click on it and you're going to scroll down until you see stock reconciliation right here. You're going to click on that and then you say, I need to be reimbursed for missing stock. Your seller ID, you're going to enter that in. You can get it on your seller portal or you can get it directly on the Tseller app. And then you're going to say, I have attached my invoice. I've attached my stock recon file. And then you're going to choose from your files. You're going to choose your stock recon and you're going to choose the invoice that Tseller has created for you. So I've submitted both. You guys can see right here. And then at the bottom, you're going to click on submit and Takealot will respond to you on email and let you know when they will be reimbursing you for the stock. And that's how easy it is to claim back money on Takealot using the stock recon feature. If you're not already doing recons, you're most likely leaving money on the table. If you found this video helpful, feel free to check out Tseller. It's the app I use today to do all these recons for me. And it makes the whole process as easy and as smooth as possible. Thanks for watching. Remember to hit the subscribe button and leave a comment if you didn't understand anything or need more information regarding that.